Hey everybody, I've got a pretty cool instrument here. This is our Wayfinder Ukulele. This is an instrument that's on a multi-year journey around the world, living with different artists and musicians for a length of time and then passing it on. And it's just kind of a long-term art and multimedia project. So it's going next to our friends Kathy Fink and Marcy Markser. It's been just around North America so far. It's been about 2 years. And it's probably going to spend another year in America and Canada, and then hopefully Europe, and then hopefully on to Hawaii, and then who knows after that. So we've got its little passport book where people have been doing art and music and writing in it all along. That'll fit right here. We've got the FAQ, and now the case, hard case with its, Nicole just made a new tag for it. The hard case goes in the wooden crate, and this wooden crate has been shipping around as its shipping box. And before I had used like wooden or furniture inserts to try to hold the top on, thinking that it would be really easy for folks to get it open and closed, but it ended up not really being that easy. So I just plugged up all those holes, and now we drilled and countersunk for just wood screws. So now this is held on with 6 wood screws. And I don't think it'll last forever, but if it gets us 2 more years, that's a good thing. Reusable packing materials, right? Okay, so there it is, 3/4 inch plywood mainly. It's been around quite a bit now, 2 years of hard work, and it's cool. People have been putting their stickers on it and that sort of thing. So yeah, it'll just go on to Kathy and Marcy next, and then who knows after that. Cheers.